Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how we can download and install Java JDK in our Windows 10 operating system. So first of all we have to open up our browser. Just open your browser and search bar just type Java JDK download. Okay, it's appear here. So in the first link you will get the Java IC downloads from oracle.com. Okay, so we have to click on this link. Once you click here, it will goes to the official page of oracle.com. So as of now I am making this video, so latest version of Java SE 14 is available. Okay, so we have to click on JDK download. Once you click, again it will shows next page. So you have to just scroll down a little bit, and we are looking for the installation for the Windows operating system 10. So here it's available Windows X64 installer. So we have to click on this link, and keep in mind guys, we have to download the executable file, not zip format. Okay, so just click on exe file. Once you click, we have to click on the checkbox. Once you click, and we have to download it here. Okay, so once you click on download option, again it will ask for one more window will open, and it will ask for where you want to store your Java file. Okay, so once you click on save button, it will start downloaded. But as you can see here, I am already downloaded 14.0.2 Windows X64 bin folder. All right, so just let me cancel it. Okay, just let me minimize the browser. Okay, so we have to go our source folder where we have already downloaded the Java. Okay, so just click here, downloads option. Okay, so here Java 64 bin is available. So just double click on that file. So when after that it will ask for the permission, whether you are going to give permission for the some changes in your operating system or in your device or not. Okay, so once you click, it will show you. After that you have to click on the next button. Okay, then after that one more window will one see here to show. I think it's yeah, so you have to click on yes. Okay, but meanwhile I'm already downloaded the Java. Okay, so I'm not going to click on yes, but you have to click. Okay, once you click, one window will open. In that window simply you have to click on next button. After that again one more window will open. In that location, in that window one location is there. Okay, so as I recommend you, please don't change the Java location. Okay, so after it installed, then what we have to do, we have to set the path. Okay, so just a minute. So once you click the, once the Java has been installed, then it will create one folder in your C drive as a default location. Okay, it will be available on your program files. Just see here. Okay, yeah, so Java folder is available. Okay, so we are looking for JDK, right? So what we have to do, we have to set the JDK path in your environment variables. So what we have to do, just click on the this PC and click on properties. After that, just a minute, let me show you. Yeah, so here you have to click on advanced settings. Okay, just click it here. One more window will open, and in this window we have to click on environment variables. Just click on the environment variables. So here you have you are seeing just two uh, yes, that is a user variables and a system variables. So keep in mind guys, we have to set this path in the system variables, not in user variables. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to just add click on new button. After that we have to give the Java underscore home just as a variable name. Okay, so whatever the path you have copied from the C drive program files, we have to paste here. Okay, just paste it and okay, keep it. Okay, that's it. Okay, so as you see, I'm already installed Java here, Java home. Okay, so what we have to do again, again we have to just click on the bin folder. After that we have to complete the same session. Just copy this path, and again we have to now this path we have to copy in the path directory, that is just see here p. Okay, see here. Okay, so we have to just click on edit button. Once you click, we have to add a new path. Okay, you just keep it here, paste it here, and simply okay. But as of now you can see I have already added the Java JDK file, so it's I'm not going to write. Okay, so I just cancel it. Okay, not an issue. So now what we have to check, we have to check whether Java is installed properly in our Windows operating system properly or not. Okay, so what we have to do, we just click on the search button. Now here we have to type cmd command. Okay, once you hit the enter, one dialog box, one cmd command prompt will be open. In that command prompt, we have to type just Java. Just a minute, let me show you, because I think it's taking too much of time. I don't know why it happens. Okay, just give me 2 minutes, guys. Just to give me 2 minutes. Okay, just a minute. I think it's just a minute, guys. Yeah, just type it here once again. I am typing cmd command. Just a minute. Yeah, here. So by passing the Java command to the command prompt, we will check whether the Java is installed properly in our Windows operating system properly or not. Okay, so we have to just send the key Java space hyphen version Java version. Just hit on the enter button. It will show you the version of Java. See here. So I am already installed the Java 8 version, which is a stable version of the Java as of now. So here you can see the Java is installed